Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to our video post-production studio. This is where we do all the video editing, graphic designing, color correction, 2 and 3D animation. The list goes on and on and on. I'm going to be taking you through each and every one of these video editing suites and telling you exactly what each and every one of it does.
Chillen Media, a multimedia and communication company with our prime objective: provide professional audiovisual services like music recordings, video coverages, and photography, TV branding, TV installation and programming, provide media content to your TV, and it's a professional advertisement agency. You can contact us using the number 697 87 29 76 or 677 29 13 00. CMedia. Creativity is never enough.
I must remind you that each and every one of this video editing suite is built to handle 4K video editing, raw video editing, and full HD video editing. As you can see, here is one of our video editor working on a video production that will be on television very soon. He's busy cutting and joining shots. Come closer and take a look. Javi, say hi to my camera, please.
Hello.
Okay. Next on my... Here we are on another editing suite. And this particular one is designed for 2 and 3D animation only. This is another video editing suite, and like I said, the PC is built with a lot of power for video editing. From the RAM, the processor, the graphics card, etc. All of this is properly built in order to handle such heavy task workflow. Let's go to the next. Here we are on another video editing suite. As you can see, the video editor is actually working on a playlist that is going to be on air soon. Pay attention to the fact that all the videos she is working on are full HD video. Like I said, the PC is built with that power to handle all sorts of workflow from 4K, RAW to full HD. Like earlier said, our video post-production studio consists of several video editing suites. This particular one is designed to handle all our graphic designing workflow. I would like to spare you with the details about the power of this PC, but I need you to understand that it's built to be able to handle all sorts of graphic designing workflow, be it no matter how sophisticated it may be. This is my favorite section of the studio. This is where all our grading, color correction workflow happens. In fact, This is where I practically spend most of my time, because all the works we do in this studio must go through grading and color correction before it reaches the final consumer.
If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our blog for more videos and updates. Also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, we have finally reached the end of this post-production video studio tour. Until another edition, au revoir.
This edition of Chillen Media audiovisual and television production guide is sponsored by Coverpot Beats.